The punch tool is compatible with the CAMEO4 series of cutting machines. The punch tool makes vinyl and heat transfer projects even easier by creating weeding points during the cutting process. Pull out the lock lever and insert the punch tool into tool carriage 2. Secure the blade by pushing the locking mechanism back into place. Create your design in Silhouette Studio and go to the Send tab. Make sure the tool is loaded in the machine. In addition to your cut lines, you will see several blue dots around your design. These dots are the weeding points the punch tool will create in your excess material. If you want to weed the design instead of the material around it, draw a rectangle around the design. The software will create weeding points within the design instead. To adjust your material type for the punch tool, click on the Tool 2 header in the Send tab. Use the weeding points the punch tool created to quickly remove the excess material. Check out the video description for additional information and resources.